Hello, we are going to talk about polygon today. So polygon means there's like a shape with three sides, which is a triangle, to a shape with 1,000 sides. So that would be 1,000 gon. First, we talk about regular. What's the word regular means to you? Okay, pause and think about it. Yes, you can say often, following the routine, always. In geometry, regular means that all sides are equal and all the angles are equal. You can pause it and copy anytime. Okay, so I'm gonna show you some pictures here. So the first one we have square. That's an example of a regular quadrilateral. That means four sides are equal and four angles are equal to 90 degrees. The one in the middle, equilateral triangles. That is a triangle with all three sides are equal and each of the angles equal to a degree measure. I missed that yesterday. What is each of the angle equal to? So we talked about that all the angle add up equal to 180 degree in a triangle. So each of the angle, let's say x, 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 since they are all equal to each other. So means that three angle, 3x, so 3x equal to 180 degree. You divide by 3 at both sides, so x is equal to 60 degree. Each of the angle is equal to 60 degree. You see, that's why it's an equilateral triangle. All the angles and all the sides are equal. The one on the right side, that's a regular hexagon. Hexagon have six sides. You can count it, and all those six sides are equal because the word regular. And all the six angles are equal to each other. And the word irregular polygon, and I believe your English teacher taught you IR or IN. The prefix means not. So here it means not regular, not equal. Like Scalian triangle, that is a irregular triangle. Means all three sides are different. Here are some vocabularies the region exam love to test you. Like triangle, we have tri, we have three sides. Quadrilateral, we have four sides. We talked about those in the last 2 days. Pentagon, we have five sides. I want to show you a picture. Do anyone know about this building? Cool building though, very cool. It's just called Pentagon. It's in Washington D.C. When the 911 happened, they also attacked this building here. The next one we have hexagon. That means six sides and six angles. Next one heptagon. Hepta means seven. Octagon. Every time you think about otter. I'm drawing a ugly picture here. What's that? It looks like a jellyfish, but I'm trying to draw an octopus. It's an octopus here with eight legs. Eight legs. Right, like a jellyfish. Sorry about that. My drawing is terrible. Next one, if you speak Spanish, you know this one. Nana. Nana means nine. Nanagon means nine size. And next one, we have decagon. That decade means, think about decade. How many years in a decade? 10 years. So decagon means 10 size. And then after 10 would be 11, 12 would be 11 gone, 12 gone, 13 gone. So I have no worry about that after the 10. So just remember the ones up to the 10 size. On the region exam, they love to ask you questions. They want you to understand what's this vocabulary mean and how many sides do they have. Where is this vocabulary come from? Where is the prefix come from? Okay, I just give you a hint about the nanagon Spanish. It comes from Spanish. Many of these come from Spanish and Greeks. Let's look at the formula. The sum of the interior angle of any polygon is 180 times n minus 2. Very important. We're going to use this very often and very useful. Okay, so what's the n stand for? The n means number of the size or number of the angles. And some people like to count the size, and some people like to count the angles. Up to you. Wherever you feel comfortable, go ahead. Let's try number one here. What's the sum of the interior angle in this regular pentagon? Okay, so pentagon have five sides. We talked about that. Five penta means five sides. So sum of the interior angles, we have used the formula 180 times n minus 2. So it's 180 times n minus 2. N means number of sides. So pentagon, we have five sides. You can count on the picture on the left side, there's five sides. But on the region exam, they don't usually give you the picture. So try to memorize those words mean. So penta means 5 minus 2, which is going to be 180 times PAMDEX, where you do the parenthesis first. So 5 minus 2 is 3, which is equal to, use your calculator. I got 540 degree. So all the angles in this pentagon add up equal to 540 degree. And number 2, what's each of the angle equal to? So we just say that there's 5 angles. So total of them is 540. What do we do? You divide. 540 divided by 5. And you can use your calculator, see what you get. By the way, anytime I ask a question, I would suggest you pause your video and try to answer it. I got 108 degree. Okay, last question. Find the value of x. Okay, there's two different ways to solve it. And we see that each of the angle equal to 108 degree. We just solve that. So 3x, you divide by 3 at both sides. X equal to, use your calculator, 108 divided by 3. I got 36. Okay, and second way, that's the way that you want to see on the region exam. They skip number 2 and they skip number 1. Okay, but same thing, you need to find number 1. Number 1, you cannot skip. Finding the sum of interior angle must using the formula 180 times n minus 2. Okay, so now we get 540, and then use that to help us to solve for the value of x. Each of the angle is 3x inside the pentagon. So means you add them up. There's 5 of them. And people say that, whoa, miss, this is so long. Okay, I'm going to tell you a short question. Okay, they add up equal to 540. And there's 5 of them, right? So you can do this. 5 times 3x equal to 540. So if you want to write that, you still get credit because they know that, oh, this pentagon have 5 sides. Good to go. So 5 times 3 is 15. X equal to 540. And since it's multiplication, 15x, so you divide by 15 at both sides. And I use calculator. I got x equal to 36. And people say that, do you need to put the degree here? And not necessary because they said solve for x only. Okay, that's it for today. Have a wonderful day. See you next time.